In this lesson, I will explain to you about sort and filter. So here I have written some information that use comparison operators while iterating lists. So these are the comparison operators. Sometime we will use greater than, sometime we will use less than. So a common pattern when iterating a list is to use comparison operators to sort and filter, but we are also going to use for and in as well. I will show you with the help of few examples. So my first example is example of sorting into strings. So see, this is the list, and now the question is how you know this is the list. It is enclosed in the square bracket and separated by commas, and these are the string. That is why I have used quotation. I want to sort or filter this list into shorter name or a longer name. Longer name is, see here I have used only quotation. Why? Because I want to take my output as a string, and a string, you know, we have to write down in quotation. Shorter name, now I am going to write down for and in. For, after for you have to write down some meaningful variable name. After in you have to write down exactly whatever the name you have assigned to the list. So here is foot underscore bones. So if length, and here we have to write down our arbitrary variable name is less than 10. If the length, right, we have also learned the length function. If the length of individual bone, foot bone name is less than 10, then we will consider a shorter name. If it is else means if it is more than 10 character, then we want longer names, right? Backslash n means each and every foot name should print on the separate line. When I will run it, you will see this is the shorter and this is the longer names. How easy it is. One more example. What is the difference between the above and this example? Here I want to take my output into list. That is why I have used square bracket. Right, in the previous example I have used quotation because at that time I was interested to take my output as a string. So this is the list, everything is same. When I will run it, so you will see here this is my first output list and the second output is the longer name. One more example I have made here. I have mentioned the city's name, so I will show you. You can see all, then it will be easy for you to practice. So same thing here, I say for city in cities, if length of the city name is less than 6, right? Now it is your job, you can change this number or you can write down greater than 6, then apply. When I will run it, you will see our output is in the form of list. Why list? Because I mentioned here I need my output as a list. This is again your practice work, that you have to use quotation here and run this example. You will get your output in the form of a string. How simple it is. Then I have made these two for practice. Sort and filter you have to use for and in as well. Use city's name, whatever we have used in the above example, or you can take this city's name. Print only cities starting with H. Here you have to print the cities with D and without D in their name. Please practice it. Why? Because when you will involve, you will learn more. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.